Okay, this might be another quick post.
Yeah.
Temporary post. We're on the road. This is my cousin. Like I said, I'm a little rusty, so we're gonna get a quick pack in before I lose all the sun.
Okay. I'm gonna call you back because he was just flying drone right now. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego, we pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso, need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful, another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't.
Alright, so we've made it to Pittsburgh, and here again, we're close. I don't know, we're in this spot, looks like it's not used. I don't know if it's abandoned or just empty on Sundays, but we'll see if we get kicked out.
Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change what's around you, how you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sink. What's your purpose? What's your passion? Did it pay? What's your plan? Is it play?
On a plane, how'd you play? I'm just playing. What's your purpose? What's your passion?
Did it pay?
What's your play? Is it play? Wanna play? How'd you play? I'm just playing.
I think my voltmeter's off. Nice move. Runs in the family. next week. Hopefully it's recording. Yay, looks like this time it's recording.